The training center is a vital component of Dark War survival. If you're new to mobile games, you might find its features a bit confusing. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the training center. Fundamental. The training center allows us to save resources when leveling up heroes. With 4 formations, we need to level up 20 heroes, which can consume much food. However, with the training center in place, we only need to level up 5 heroes. The remaining heroes will be leveled up for free. The top 5 heroes will be automatically designated as instructors. We can then assign other heroes to the trainee slot. The trainee's level will be adjusted to match the lowest level among the instructors. For instance, if we have instructors at levels 79 and 78, the trainee will be leveled up to 78 since that is the lowest level. Once all instructors reach level 79, the trainee's level will also become level 79. In the hero list, the trainee hero levels are shown in orange. We cannot level up trainees unless we remove them from the trainee slot. If a hero is removed from this slot, they will lose their trainee level and revert to their original level. The slot will enter a 24-hour cooldown period before we can assign another hero. Alternatively, we can spend 100 rubies to skip the cooldown. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Hero Reset. We can reset a hero's level back to level 1 using the Hero Reset function, which will also refund the food spent on that hero. When we assign a hero to the trainee slot, we can utilize the reset feature to reclaim the food invested in the trainee. This reset will not impact the trainee's level, as their level is determined by the instructor. We can then allocate the refunded food to the instructors to enhance their levels further. Trainee Slot. 15 trainee slots can be unlocked with rubies and a VIP level. Unlocking all trainee slots can be expensive if you're not spending much on the game. We recommend unlocking at least 5 trainee slots to create 2 strong formations for battling zombies. Having 10 trainee slots is even better, as it enables us to have 5 strong heroes from each faction to challenge the faction trials. We can gain an additional 50% bonus if we pick heroes from the specific faction, for instance, shooter heroes for shooter trials. Unlocking all trainee slots is optional because the 4th formation will primarily be used for gathering, where the hero level is less critical. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.